Number 7. Suzuki GSX1400. Launched in 2001, the Suzuki GSX1400 was designed for riders seeking comfort, reliability, and powerful performance. Powered by a 1,402 cubic centimeter air oil-cooled inline-4 engine producing 106 horsepower and 126 newton-meters of torque, it offered performance comparable to a compact car but in a 228-kilogram motorcycle. The GSX1400 stood out for its smooth engine and low RPM torque, making it perfect for daily commutes and long trips. Despite its strong performance, production ended in 2008 due to limited marketing, especially in the US, and stricter emissions regulations affecting its air-cooled engine. Priced at about $9,000 at launch, the GSX1400 offered great value. Today, used models in good condition can be found for around $6,000, though they remain rare. While it sold only a few thousand units in the US, the bike was a hit in Europe and Australia, with over 60,000 units sold worldwide. Number 6. Kawasaki Z1900. A new standard for motorcycle performance was established by the Kawasaki Z1900 before the word superbike became popular. It was a revolutionary model that changed the standards for high-performance motorcycles when it was released in 1974. Its 903 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine generated 82 horsepower, which was a remarkable amount at the time. It was a real game-changer at the time since so few vehicles could match its speed. When the Z1900 made its debut, it was the world's fastest production motorbike, reaching a peak speed of 130 miles per hour. But it wasn't only about speed. A wide variety of riders could utilize it because of its smooth power delivery, dependability, and simplicity of usage. Its great commercial success can be attributed to this combination. After Honda debuted the CB750 in 1969, Kawasaki's original plan to produce the Z1900 sooner was postponed. Kawasaki improved the Z1900 to guarantee better performance rather than hastening the model's release. It secured its position in history by producing a motorbike that was more powerful, quicker, and more sophisticated than its Honda rival. Over 40,000 Z1900s were made between 1974 and 1975, and they experienced great worldwide sales before being renamed the Kawasaki Z1. A sizable percentage of them were sold in the United States, where the model contributed to Kawasaki's rise to prominence in the high-performance motorcycle market. The Z1900 cost around $1,800 when it was first released, which at the time was seen as a substantial expenditure. In contrast to other high-performance bikes of the time, it was regarded as a great value offer due to its performance, sophisticated engineering, and power-to-weight ratio. Number 5. Honda CB1300 Super 4. Since 1998, the Honda CB1300 Super 4 has been manufactured to satisfy the needs of riders looking for a high-displacement engine, vintage naked style, and contemporary upgrades. It was unveiled as the CB1000 Super 4's replacement while preserving the recognizable design features of the original. A 1,284 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine with 114 horsepower powered the 1998 CB1300. Strong low-end torque was achieved by tuning the engine, which resulted in forceful yet smooth acceleration. The motorcycle's well-balanced chassis allows it to maintain agility even though it weighs 250 kilograms. Honda included technical improvements like fuel injection and better suspension while maintaining the vintage look of the CB1000. The CB1300 Super 4 has been offered in Europe, Japan, and a few other regions over its manufacturing cycle, where it has established a solid reputation for dependability and seamless operation. Although sales numbers are not made public, it is estimated that the model has sold hundreds of thousands of units. It has a devoted following in Europe and continues to be one of Honda's best-selling large-capacity motorcycles in Japan. The model was first introduced at a price of about $9,000, but as technology has advanced, its price has increased, and it currently retails for closer to $14,000. Number 4. Kawasaki ZRX1200R. Produced between 2001 and 2008, the Kawasaki ZRX1200R was a motorbike with a vintage aesthetic that paid homage to Eddie Lawson's racing vehicles from the 1980s. Its 1,164 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, which produced 123 horsepower and offered powerful acceleration and a balanced power delivery, combined traditional design with contemporary performance. With its wide handlebars, bikini fairing, and striking paint jobs, the most most iconic being Kawasaki's lime green with white and blue stripes, which was a direct homage to the Kawasaki KZ1000R that Eddie Lawson raced. The ZRX1200R struck out visually. Notwithstanding its intimidating appearance, the ZRX1200R was a multi-purpose motorbike. With very little adjustments, it could handle long-distance touring, intense canyon riding, and daily commuting. Its smooth power delivery, cozy ergonomics, and dependability were valued by riders. It also provided a historic look without the technical constraints of vintage motorcycles. Over 75,000 units were sold globally throughout the ZRX1200R's manufacturing period, and it became quite popular in Japan, Europe, and Australia. With only 10,000 sales, it continued to be a fringe favorite in the US. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, the motorbike had a peak speed of roughly 155 miles per hour and could generate 112 Newton-meters of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute, which ensured powerful mid-range acceleration without the need for high RPM. Number 3. Suzuki Bandit 1200. Since its launch in 1996, the Suzuki Bandit 1200 has earned a reputation for balancing affordability, performance, and reliability. A versatile motorcycle, it appealed to riders using it for everything from commuting and touring to aggressive weekend rides. Powered by a 1,157 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine derived from the Suzuki GSX1400, the Bandit 1200 produced 98 horsepower and delivered impressive torque. Known for its durability, many models have surpassed 100,000 miles with minimal mechanical issues. Affordability was one of the Bandit 1200's standout features. Priced under $7,000 in the late 1990s, it was a more budget-friendly option compared to more expensive rivals. Even today, well-maintained models are available for around $3,000, making it a popular choice among cost-conscious riders. With over 50,000 units sold between 1996 and 2007, the Bandit 1200 became a global success, especially in the US, where it attracted riders seeking a powerful yet practical bike. With a top speed of 140 miles per hour and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, the Bandit 1200 was both competitive and affordable in its class. Number 2. Honda NTV 650. The Honda NTV 650, launched in 1988, was designed with reliability and durability in mind, focusing on simplicity. Powered by a 647 cubic centimeter V-twin engine producing about 55 horsepower, the NTV 650 offered smooth, efficient power delivery that made it perfect for daily riding, even if it wasn't built for high performance. One of its standout features was the shaft drive, which required less maintenance and could last for hundreds of thousands of kilometers, making it particularly popular with European motorcycle couriers, some of whom had over 200,000 kilometers on their original engines. Although Honda never disclosed exact production numbers, it's estimated that around 50,000 units were sold globally between 1988 and 1998, with the NTV 650 gaining particular traction in Europe for its dependability and low maintenance requirements. At its launch, the NTV 650 was priced around $5,000, offering a reliable and cost-effective motorcycle. Today, well-maintained older models are still affordable, typically priced between $1,000 and $3,000, making them a great choice for riders who value simplicity and dependability. Number 1. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650, launched in 1999, proves that success doesn't require a large engine or flashy design. Powered by a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine producing 70 horsepower, the SV650 stands out for its lightweight frame and agile handling, offering a versatile and enjoyable ride. The bike quickly gained a loyal following among both novice and experienced riders, praised for its reliability, affordability, and ease of use. Its versatility made it suitable for everything from daily commuting to track days and weekend trips. Suzuki's commitment to maintaining the SV650's core design has contributed to its lasting popularity. While the bike has seen gradual upgrades like ABS and fuel injection, its essential character remains the same. By 2018, over 200,000 SV650s had been sold worldwide, solidifying it as one of Suzuki's top-selling models. With a top speed of around 130 miles per hour, the SV650's V-twin engine provides impressive performance, and its quick handling makes it a fun fun ride, especially on winding roads and tight corners. Despite not being the most powerful in its class, its reliable, enjoyable, and affordable nature has made it a favorite among riders. Be sure to subscribe for more content, share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, ride safe, keep the engine roaring, and check out our other videos for more two-wheel inspiration.